Alright, this demo here is for the functionality of an Edwards 306A. Just going to show you over here, you got your penning gauge at 6 1/6. You have your Piranha, which is your 4-line down at 30 millitorr. You want to keep your selector switch on LT2. You're going to want to turn your LT transformer on. Make sure it's turned all the way counterclockwise. Your deposition controller is right here, basically at 0. If it does come over with ERR, you just want to hit start and we'll make sure that it's reset it. And basically you have your shutter right here. I'm going to keep it open. And I'm going to turn on the filament current and put it around 60 to 70. And what we'll see is we'll start seeing the boat over there start heating up. I crank it up to 80. Now you're starting to see it glow. I have an aluminum pellets in there that I've melted down previously. As you can see, it's heating up, and you can see that it's starting to get very dark in there, and there it is depositing. If I turn off the filament, I turned it off, and as you can see, the whole jar is totally coated inside. Alright, this demonstration right here is to show you how to pump down on the system. So right now, this system, you can see I can move the bell jar. It's at atmosphere. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down. You're going to first turn off the air admittance up here. Then you're going to come down here, and we're going to go put this in the roughing. We got to push the handle in and bring it over to rough. You're going to keep an eye on this gauge, and you're going to wait till it get about mid-range. I'm going to put this on pause until it starts really pulling vacuum on it. Okay, now you can see it's starting to pull down. So like I said, we're going to wait for this to go just about mid-range. Alright, close enough. And when I'm going to come over here, we're going to bring this back over to here, pull it out, and then when we rotate this, you're going to start seeing the poppet valve lift up. And that is when she is in high back. And that's when you look at this top gauge right here, it says fine pumping. That's your poppet valve, high back valve. And that's how you pump down on the system. As you can see right here, we're going to put this on a low range, and now you're going to start seeing this on number 1. You'll start seeing this come down. As you can see, she's right now 2 and a 4 range. Once she goes all the way over to the left is when you're going to go and change your range to number 2. And that's how you pump down the system. And then you can begin to do your deposition. Then you would, once you at the desired pressure, you can go ahead and make sure this is turned down. Hit your LT, and then raise your amperage up. And you'll start seeing your boat glowing again. It is glowing. You can open up the shutter now. You can see it's depositing. Over here is your total thickness. And you can see the whole bell jar coated up again. And that is the end of the demo. Turn it off.